In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Asana. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Asana login page. Sign in the way you normally do. For this walkthrough, choose the Continue with Google option. If your browser asks which Google account to use, select the one that's linked to your Asana workspace and complete any prompts that appear, such as verification. Once you're in, you'll land on your Asana home screen. Next, open the project you're working on. You can find it in the left sidebar or by using the search bar at the top. Make sure you have permission to edit tasks in this project. If it's a shared workspace, some items may be locked down by admins or project owners. Inside the project, locate the task you want to delete. You can be in list view or board view, either one is fine. Click the task to open its details pane on the right side of your screen. Before deleting, take a moment to confirm it's the correct task. Check the title, description, assignee, due date, and any subtasks or attachments. Deleting a task can impact your teammates, so it's a good idea to be certain you're removing the right item. With the task details open, look toward the top right corner of the task pane and click the three-dot menu. This reveals a set of task actions. Choose Delete Task. As soon as you do this, Asana will remove the task and show a small notification on the screen. This is your safety net in case you clicked Delete by accident. From that notification, you have two options. If you change your mind, select Undelete to immediately restore the task, bringing back all of its details and connections. If you're absolutely sure you want it gone for good, choose Delete Permanently. Keep in mind that permanently deleting a task cannot be undone, so only use this when you're confident it's no longer needed and you won't require a record of it later. A quick tip before you wrap up: if the work is finished but you still want a history of what happened, consider marking the task complete instead of deleting it. Deletion is best for truly duplicate or mistaken tasks. Also, if you can't see the delete option, you may not have the necessary permissions, and you should check with your project admin. That's it. You've logged in, opened your project, selected the task, used the three-dot menu to delete it, and handled the notification to either undo or permanently delete. You're all set to keep your Asana workspace clean and accurate.